Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Dynamax Isata 3 model 24RW. This motorhome sits on the Mercedes chassis. It's a 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower. Full body paint is standard on this motorhome. And what I love about it is this nice fiberglass front cap here. Notice how the seams aren't on the stress point, makes it a lot less likely to leak that way. Coming on down the side here, you can see that this has one of the most beautiful paint jobs in the entire RV industry. Armless awning with wind sensors, frameless windows, and here's what I love. Sideway swinging storage doors. But more importantly, I would like to show you this storage. This has the absolute most amount of storage that I've seen on a Mercedes Class C in the RV industry. Let's take a look at the inside. Walking inside, it's crazy to say that we're in a Mercedes Class C RV. Right up front here is your cockpit area. When you see this right here, this is the 10-inch Mercedes screen. This means it has adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision mitigation, and everything. Above it's your camera system. Notice how there's 4 cameras, left side, right side, reverse side, and then this one's looking straight down if you're towing something behind. You do have a bunk over the cab, a little one, and then look at these awesome Thomas Payne seats right here. Very nice, heated seats, electric recliners, and everything. Over here, we do have a nice kitchen, solid surface countertops, and I love how the kitchen top lights up right there. It's very nice, very classy. In the bathroom, we do have just a toilet in the shower. I love that because it makes it so you can have a decent size. And for those of you who are worried, the bathroom sink is right here. Again, this is a small motorhome coming in at 24 feet 2 inches, so you got to make the best use out of space. And to wrap it all up, we have the queen size walk around bed right here with windows on both sides. Also 2 windows in the bedroom area. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick 2-minute tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see the full review of this motorhome, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're interested in buying one of this, fill out the contact form down below and we will get one of our motorhome specialists to get in contact with you to get you a phenomenal deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.